Wow, and welcome back to Weekend on Wheels, and I'm Girish, and today I'm off to an inauguration of this place called Power Sports. It is a store for all the riders which provides helmets and a lot of other stuff. So it's been rebranded, so the grand inauguration is today, so on my way there. So I'll reach there and I'll see you guys in a while. I have just reached the venue and the grand inauguration is going to happen shortly. And look at this scene here. Look at these bikers. All of them have come for the inauguration, the grand inauguration of Power Sports. And there you have Power Sports. And look at the lineup. Let's get inside and see what's there. Finally done with the inauguration. I would like to wish Manjunath, sir, congratulations, all the best, and requesting all of them, if you have any requirement for riding gears, please do visit Power Sports at Kadri, and yeah, you can come, and I've already showed you the entire collection. You can go look at it, and if that's something that you're looking for, then you know where to head. Yes. Please ride safe. Do not ride without riding gears. The biggest thing that one can do is not wearing a riding gear and sitting on your motorcycle and trying to fool around people. You're not only fooling around you, others as well. So please make sure you ride safe. Wear helmet, wear a riding gear, gloves, whatever it needs to be, and then ride. So wish you all of them happy riding, and that's it from now. Bye bye.